Why choose Mighty Dog Roofing in Ridgefield, Connecticut? Your home is your biggest investment. Let's protect it the Mighty Dog way. Our certified pros deliver unmatched craftsmanship on every job. From start to finish, we build with precision and pride. More than roofing, Mighty Dog handles gutters, siding, windows, and more. One team, one solution. Our roofs are built to stand strong in Ridgefield's wildest weather, rain, snow, or sun. Using drones and 3D models, we give you a clear view of your home and peace of mind about every shingle. With flexible financing and industry-leading warranties, you're covered from day one without breaking the bank. A new roof doesn't just look great, it increases energy efficiency, resale value, and peace of mind. Call Mighty Dog Roofing Ridgefield for your free inspection today. We're not just roofing, we're peace of mind under one roof.